What is algorithm? It is a process or set of rules to be followed in calculations or other problem-solving operations, especially by a computer. Or in simple definition, we can say, algorithm is any well-defined sequence of computation procedure that takes input and produce some value or set of the values as output. Taking an example of making coffee, the steps involved are: first, boil kettle. Second, add coffee to cup. Third, add boiling water. Fourth, if milk required then add milk, else go to the next step. Fifth, if sugar required then add sugar. And at last we have nice tasty cup of coffee. This is one algorithm that we can follow to make cup of coffee. There can be more than one algorithm for accomplishing same task. When we want to sort data, then there are many sort algorithms that we can implement in our program. For example, bubble sort, merge sort, selection sort, etc. If you want us to make video on all types of algorithms in detail, then please comment below. There is one really important distinction, that is, algorithm is not a program. Then what is a program? A program is nothing but an implementation of algorithm in any programming language of your choice. One really important note here is, you do not need any programming language to write algorithms. It can be written in your own language that you speak in day-to-day life. For example, you can write an algorithm in English, Spanish, French, etc. But to write program, you have to have good understanding of programming language. Now moving to next step, the question arises that, if there are many algorithms, then which should we use? So to answer this question, we should know the concept of algorithm analysis. So what is algorithm analysis actually? As the name suggests, it is a complete analysis of an algorithm which tells us how efficient our algorithm is for a particular problem. It generally has two parameters, that are space complexity and time complexity. Space complexity is how much space our algorithm takes in memory to execute efficiently. Nowadays this parameters is not that important because memory became really cheap, and it's not a matter of consideration anymore now. But time complexity is most important and crucial parameter when we write particular algorithm. Time complexity is nothing but a measure of time that our algorithm takes to execute. So how can we find time complexity for our algorithm and make it efficient? Here comes the role of big O notation. Big O notation is the worst case that our algorithm will work on. It tells the maximum time that our algorithm takes to execute. Let's understand it with an example. Here is piece of code. We can now analyze time complexity for it. First step takes 1 unit of time as it will be executed only once. Second step takes n unit of time as will be executed n times. Similarly, third and fourth steps are also gonna take n units of time. Thus the total time taken by the whole code is 1 plus n plus n plus n, that's 3n plus 1. So time complexity for this code is order of n. This table shows different time complexities we can get during algorithm analysis. From top to down, time complexity increases, that means time taken by program is also increases. Talking about characteristics of algorithm, it can take 0 or more values as input. It should give desired output. It should be definite, that means, every statement in algorithm should be clear and should not contain any ambiguous step. Next, algorithm should be effective, means every statement should have some purpose. For example, if you defining some variable but you are not using it, your algorithm that is ineffective algorithm. And the last one, algorithm should be finite. It should start and terminate as well. Of course, there is no point of running a program for infinite amount of time. So that's all about algorithms. If you want to learn algorithm and their types and details, please comment down below and we will try to make a brand new tutorial on that too.
Now the question arises, from where I can learn all these great skills to grab highly paid job. Here are some great sites from where you can learn online. Udemy, Udacity, edX, Coursera, and of course YouTube. There are many more listed in description box, so please ensure to check them out. All links are in description box below. Hope you have found this video helpful. If you like it, please hit that like button below. Share among your friends, family, relatives. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more awesome videos. Till then, bye. See you in our next video.